What if your business is closed forever but it's still showing up on Yelp, making people think you're open? Imagine customers driving all the way there and only to find the doors locked. Pretty embarrassing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently close your business on Yelp in under 2 minutes so no one gets confused again. This is super easy and you're going to feel so relieved once it's done. Let's get started. First, open up your Yelp Business app. When you're on your home screen, you'll see a list of all businesses you manage. Tap on the business you want to close. Now, you're inside your business page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Keep scrolling until you see a little blue box that says mark the business as closed. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, Yelp will give you two options. Temporarily closed if you're just going on vacation or renovating. Choose this. You can pick when you plan to open again. Permanently closed. If your business is shutting down forever, tap the red button that says permanently closed. When you do this, Yelp will review it and mark your business as permanently closed so no one drives there thinking you're still open, and that's it. Now your listing shows that your business is permanently closed and people won't be confused or waste their time. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.